Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. If you're interested in participating in this video, the email address is right here. Just title the emails subscriber photos or something like that, just so I know what they are, because I get a ton of emails to that email address. This past month, there were just hundreds and hundreds. I get hundreds of emails a month of people wanting me to sell you guys something, which I'm never going to do. But all those emails are blended in. Plus, we had Texas. I asked for email for photos from winter damage for that video a couple weeks ago. So it was just a lot of emails. If I missed anyone, I apologize. Just resend them. It wasn't done on purpose. If I did. A ton of participation this past month. I appreciate everyone who participates in this video every month. I've got a lot of content this next week. I've got a lot of plants to unbox that I got yesterday, and I've got more plants coming. Hopefully this week. I've got some one-day landscape projects planned, and just lots of content coming. I'm skipping question and answer for the next couple weeks. Just to get caught up with a lot of things that I need to be doing right now. There was a no rules gardening video this week from Pine Knot Farms, Bree and I shopping. If you haven't followed the No Rules Gardening channel yet, please do that. Bree and I are going to probably put up like one video a week, maybe one video every other week. Don't know, but we have a lot of planned content for that channel coming, and I think that's it. Oh, there was one other thing. There is a giveaway. If you go to the Instagram, Encore Zelia Instagram, they put up a giveaway for 5 tickets to that Great Grow Along event that I'm participating in. I think you just make a comment below a photo. I don't know if that photo was in the last few days. You'll find it if you go to Instagram on Encore Zelia Instagram. You'll see the post with the giveaway. So. Thank you guys for watching. Here are the subscriber photos from February. And again, whatever is sent to me in March will be the first Sunday in April. Thanks for watching.
Hello, I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling. The end's unknown. To get back the life I used to know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. honestly don't. I should be the last to know we're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.